This video is sponsored by NordVPN.
What is up? Right here on the XR650R. We've been making changes. Am I ever going to be done with it? I think so. Plate had broke in half. One of the turn signals had blown out. I just simplified it. Is it technically legal? No. This road isn't the best. It's very good for the supermoto though, because of the suspension. Speaking of which, I went back by the shop, Venture Moto or SMS Racing, whatever, they're the one and the same now. These guys did a brilliant job with the suspension. So I had them have me, sit on it, push down, do all the proper measurements, check the sag, check the static sag. And the numbers came up great. They said, I think you should drop the front forks 5 millimeters. So I did. I swear that lady just looked at me right then and said, oh my God. There's a couple of things I do want to test. First of all, is the bike still stable at speeds? We're going 70 miles right now, 70, and we're actually still under 6,000 RPM. I think my FZ07 is revving about the same at the same speed, maybe slightly higher. Bringing the front end 5 mils down, it's not a huge difference, but it will steepen the rake even just a little bit more, a little more front end feel, a little more handling on the front. You want to make sure that doesn't screw up the stability. Very stable. I know a lot of guys with supermotos, they talk about their bike being twitchy at speed. They'll buy like steering stabilizers and try to correct it. It's a suspension issue. You just got to get the suspension set up right. It won't do that. Here's my private racetrack for the moment. Let's go have some fun. Literally scared to like lean too far over, and I nicked it. Still works, but sorry, it's a 360.
Now a word from our sponsor, NordVPN. What's a VPN service and why do you need it? Your internet service provider is logging everything that you do online, and they can sell that to third-party companies. Hackers can get into that. When you're on Wi-Fi, it's even worse, especially if you're using a public one. NordVPN encrypts all that data. They have over 5,500 super fast servers in 60 countries around the world. That means you can make it appear that you're coming from any one of those places. So not only is your data encrypted, they don't even know where you're coming from. And that's actually fun even beyond security. Log into your Netflix account, tell it you're from overseas somewhere you're not normally from, and go look at the stuff that shows up in there. All different. They got 24/7 customer support, and this works on PCs, Macs, Linux, whoever uses that, and of course your phones, the Apple and the Android stuff. And I even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now you can get 70% off of NordVPN, only $349 a month, and you'll get an additional month for free. But it only works when you click on the link down in the description, which is nordvpn.com/TheGardenSnake, and use coupon code TheGardenSnake. So don't mess around. The internet's a crazy place right now. All this deregulating it's actually just made it more dangerous for the average person. Fix all that stuff, protect yourself, and get NordVPN today.
I'm very pleased with the motorcycle and its handling abilities. The question that everyone wants to know is if we completely ruined it off-road now. We're gonna have to find out. It is technically less stable now. I'd say we have not ruined the suspension. I'd say it works well. Should have worn my more MX gear. I'm hot. I'm gonna let's grab this camera and keep going. We'll start on the first click. No edit. Have to see. All right. Auto decomp. Ah, oh, embarrassing. There it is. It's all technique with this thing. Whoa. I just flipped to reserve. Oh yeah, look, that thing's empty. Let's see if I can rock some fuel from one side of the tank to the other. Petcock's on the goofy side on this bike, so let's see if I can't. I picked a funny place to do this too, didn't I? Because there's a hump in the tank here. That did not fill it up. Dude, I have not ran a bike out of gas ever, actually, where I couldn't make it to a gas station. I've had several times where my WR like ran out of gas, like as I pulled into a gas station. Let's go as far over as we can. Okay. Let's see if they got any fuel in it. Well, trying to think what the fastest way to a gas station is from here. None of them are that close. And it's pretty hot out here. Well, I got this far. Sidewalk for about the next, quarter mile, I guess. Guys, I'm gonna take my helmet back off then. Yeah, that thing's bone dry, so luckily I've got electron carbs. I don't just sit here and kick it like a moron. I can literally tell it's out of gas. This is gonna suck. All right, man, these guys saved me. Thank you guys. Too nice. They gave me water, they gave me gas, they didn't even take money from me. Some gentlemen with some lawnmowers passed me. Of course, they got some gas on them. They're like, you need gas? Flipped around, came back, asked me if I need gas. They gave me water. And they wouldn't even take any money from me. I was trying to get my wallet. They're like, no, senor, no. We're gonna go down here, the original plan. I'm still squinting a little bit. I'm squinting, I know. Sometimes I'm glad I live in this area. I know there's a lot of places in the world people would stop and help you. You're pretty good here. You're pretty likely you're gonna get help when you need help out here. You can't be in this heat because they try to give me the water. I was like, no. They're like, no. But it's like, you look like hell, I can tell. So I was gonna walk it all the way down this way, all the way to this. I was actually planning to go here to this shell. What an adventure. Drink my complimentary water. Are we filming? Am I filming right now? Oh, I'm totally filming, which is wild because there's no battery in the GoPro. It got too hot. It wouldn't turn on. Excuse me. Which way are you going, guy? I don't know what you're doing.
Hey, you there! Who, me? Yeah, you. Are you a member of TheGardenSnakes Patreon page?
Oh my god, no, why should I be?
Yeah, you should be. Hey, remember this guy? He joined the Patreon page. Now look at him. Bam! He's so hot. All because he joined.
Oh my god, where do I join?
No, wait. I'm gonna show you some more. This is what a non-Patreon video looks like. Look at it. It's so boring. PG rated. That's gay. Well, look at the Patreon version. All you have to do is spend $1 and you get the X-rated version today.